Hi! In front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Safety and Emergency. Following that, click on Emergency Information and then select Add Contact under Emergency Contacts. Finally, just click on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. Lastly, to remove one of your contacts, just click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, all of mine emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!